What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what I was gonna call Moonlight, but now I'm feeling like I should call the Little Dipper since I did the constellation. I'm the Little Dipper now. This wig is so cute and soft. I will link this wig down below as well as all the products that I used in this tutorial as always. This look was actually inspired by a makeup artist on Instagram. His name is Snatched by Jake. He did this look right here. And his was very, very pretty. He did the crescent moon. Now I've tried to draw a crescent moon on myself several times and it does not look good. And prime example is this tattoo right here. I drew this and then I let somebody tattoo this on me in their kitchen, so those were hard times. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did take this constellation idea as well. This is not something I came up with. I just wanted to recreate it because I thought it was so cool and thought it would be the cutest Halloween costume. You know when you have to like dress up for work or for school and you don't want to go all out and you don't want to wear the same costume that everybody has that you can go buy at a store and you want to kind of come up with something unique? I feel like that's what this is. Like I would wear this to go grocery shopping. I'm having a bit of a wonky eyelash situation happening, but it's fine, we're gonna ignore her. A few things before we get into the video. Don't forget to stay tuned to the end to figure out how to enter the Milk Makeup giveaway that I'm doing in every single ASHTOBERFEST video. Thank you so much to Milk Makeup for sending me a ton of product to give away to you guys. I'm so excited. I'm also going to be giving away some merch, and I'm also going to be giving away a bunch more makeup that I'm just going to throw in the packages that I send out. So stay till the end to figure out how to enter that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I would love to have you. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter where I'm posting all these looks, a bunch of photos that I spent forever editing, so I'd love if you guys check them out. And let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. To prep for this look, I want a nice, clean, and light base, so I'm gonna go ahead and just conceal with the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. This is in the shade Snow. And I'm kind of going to go crazy with it. You can use a foundation for this if you want. I'm using this just because it's the lightest thing that I have. And I feel like it's gonna create a nice base for the colors I'm gonna put down. So I'm just blending this out with my beauty sponge. This one's from Oprah. And I'm actually gonna take this over my lid as well. And then I'm just gonna set all of this with a translucent powder. This is gonna make it a lot easier to blend out all these colors on my face. So I'm gonna be going in with like 9 different eyeshadow palettes because I can't find my Sugar Pill Pro palette, and that has all the shades I need in it. But unfortunately I'm gonna use a million products, but if you have any bright colors, they're gonna do just fine. I'm gonna use the Sephora Pro, which is all Smash, and I'm gonna use this orange shade right here. I'm scared. So I'm just gonna tap this on first. And Jake took this pretty low, so I'm blending into my hairline. I'm gonna be wearing a wig, so it's not gonna matter so much. This is probably going to take quite a little bit of time to first of all get used to. Mine's a bit patchy, but that's okay. I'm going to try and blend out with just my powder brush. Next I'm going to be taking this NYX yellow shade. This one is called STFU, which is the cutest name. And I'm just going to melt this in to that orange, pretty much up to my lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with the orange just to deepen it, especially on my cheekbones. To start going in on the blue, I'm gonna take the Sephora Pro again, and I'm gonna take this blue right here, and I'm gonna start just by kind of tapping this. I'm using this kind of like a transition shade for when I put down more blue. I'm also gonna start to blend this towards the yellow. Jumping into the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm gonna be dipping into this blue and maybe this blue here. And I'm just gonna start blending that as well. I'm also going to take the black shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to regretfully pack this into my hairline. This is going to help give more dimension. It's also going to help me blend my wig in. I'm going to jump in and do my eyes really quick. I'm just taking a light blue from the BH Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to blend this out kind of all over the lid and into the crease. And I'm going to deepen the crease a little bit with a darker blue. I'm also going to blend the blue out on the lower lash line as well. Now for one of my favorite parts, I get to go in and highlight all these colors. So for my forehead, I'm going to be using Sugar Pill's Lumi pigment. It's very blue. And it is so pretty. I use this kind of all over my face for my corpse bride look. Not sure if that video is up or not yet. But if not, you got a little sneak peek. I'm gonna highlight a little bit in between my brows like the photo. Also underneath my brow here. I also kind of want this on my lid just because it's so pretty. Then for my cheeks, I'm going to be taking Artist Couture's Loose Powder in Double Take. I find that this is kind of a red. So pretty. I hope you guys can see it on camera. I feel like it's not showing up for you guys. Really quick, I'm gonna do some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back to finish up the look. All right, we're back. These lashes are from Muse, or I'm sorry, Bold Face, my bad. And they are called Lash Trance. I feel like they have a very weird lash band, this brand. They're very crooked. Like if I don't wear liner, like a big wing, you can tell that they're very crooked. This eye looks okay. This one is like sticking up. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it. Please ignore this lash, thank you. I added some highlight to my shoulders. This is the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie in Chasing the Sun. It's very dark, so it kind of shows up as like a sparkly bronzer on my skin, but we're good. I'm gonna go in with Ofra's White Rabbit. This is just their fixed line eyeliner gel. If you have a liquid liner, you could use that too. I'm using this tiny Smith 202 brush. In Jake's photo, he did a crescent moon. I've done this enough times to know that a crescent moon is never gonna happen for me. It looks horrible every single time. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw a constellation, which another makeup artist did. Her name, I believe, is Abby. I will link her down below as well so you can check her out. She did a look inspired by Jake and did a constellation, so that's what I'm gonna do. She also put like gemstones on. I might have to get up and find some because hers looks really cute, but for now, I'm just gonna go for it. Should we do a little dipper? I'm thinking yes. So I'm gonna try and do the little dipper backwards. Do the little tail up here. I'm gonna very carefully connect all these lines. I also just want to dot on some little stars. I'm taking the same brush and I'm just going to just dot these on. Alright, so while searching for gemstones, I don't have any, they're only black and gray. I found all these stars from last year. So I'm gonna dig through here and find the tiny ones, and I'm gonna speed this all up for you guys, and I'm gonna apply them here. Alright, I think these are gonna stay. And for lips, I'm going to be using my MAC lip pencil in Subculture. And I'm going to line these bad boys. And over top of this, I'm going to use the Over the Top gloss from the Desi and Katie Dose of Colors collection. This is one of my favorite glosses of all time. It's so glittery. Really quick, I'm gonna go throw on a wig and I will be right back to show you guys the finished look. Alright, so this is the finished look. This wig is so cute. This is kind of what my hair looks like when it dries, but since it's so like colorful and frizzy though, it doesn't look like this. And this looks really cute. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but there are like the cutest curls here. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I will link this wig as well as all the products that I use down below. Of course, I will link Jake down below as well as Abby, who did the little constellation. I hope you're enjoying ASHTOBERFEST so far. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and leave some guesses as to what could be coming up for ASHTOBERFEST. If you guess correctly on what the next look is going to be, I might be sending you a little something. Also, if you're here for the Milk Makeup giveaway, don't forget to leave a comment down below. I'm going to be randomly scrolling through and choosing everybody. I am gonna need like an email or an Instagram page where I can contact you to let you know that you won. So don't forget to leave your tag down below. Just leave one comment, please. You don't need to spam the comments. And I will be scrolling down and randomly selecting somebody every single day of ASHTOBERFEST. And you will be receiving some of my favorite Milk makeup items like the Baked Bronzer as well as the Kush Mascara, which is my favorite mascara. And who knows, maybe you'll be getting something a little bit extra. I plan to do some merch giveaways and some other makeup giveaways. And good luck to everybody. I'm so excited that Milk wanted to partner up with me. I reached out to them and just asked, hey, do you want to do giveaways for ASHTOBERFEST? And they were like, hell yeah, we do. So thank you so much to Milk Makeup for doing this. I'm super excited to be able to give back to you guys. So thank you, Milk, for that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I feel like my outros are so long sometimes. My goodness. Stay tuned. Not tomorrow, but the next day I'll have another video coming at you. And I hope you guys will tune in for that one as well. So I will see you there. Bye.